Hello there and welcome to another video, and in this video I will be taking you through how to use InVideo AI to create short videos for personal finance. Now that said, let's head right in. Alright, so first things first, you do need to create an account for this video. You can do that by going to invideo.io/studio, and you can create an account right here. And if you do have an account, you can of course log into your account, and in order to follow along you do need to do one of these and eventually head over to your dashboard. Right, so to create a video, all we need to do is go to templates, because if you're a lazy person like me, then definitely templates is something you will be using more often. All right, so first of all, this is a free account. You can upgrade to premium. As you can see, this is a free account. It's not upgraded to premium yet. So when you do create an account, you might need to eventually upgrade your account. So that said, let's head over to templates, and well, over here I have a few options to select from the left, and of course I can select from template. We're currently on templates. There are other options to pick, but that's just what I will be going with for now. And on the search bar right here, I'll click on it and search for personal finance, and hopefully I'll get some template. All right, so we're seeing some search results already. Personal finance, click on it, and let's wait for this to load. So first of all, I want to create a short video for a mobile device, let's say an Instagram reel or something like that. So I do need to change the orientation or aspect ratio. So here I can go to filters right by the left panel, and I can click on portrait. Click on it and wait for it to load, and it will load templates that are available in portrait mode. As you can see, this one looks really nice, so I'll just click on it, and yeah, so this is it right here. I can customize it, and as you can see by the right, I still have an option of deciding, making a final decision as to whether I want this to be in portrait, square, or of course landscape. But yeah, I've already made up my mind, and I'm going to go with portrait. So I'll click on use template, and it will load up my editor for me where I can customize this template for my own personal use. So we'll just wait for this to load up, and hopefully we can get started. Alright, so we're finally here. That did take a while, but well, it has loaded up eventually. So we're currently on editor mode. As you can see, we can see the timeline. We can do a lot of things here. If you do have experience or when it comes to video editing, then this shouldn't be a problem. Editor mode is something you will use more often, but I most times prefer storyboard mode. So I'll just go here simply because I can just click on certain items here and customize them directly. So I'll just double click on this, and it opens up a panel right here where I can edit the text on each element on the screen. So I do have some text here, so I'll just copy this right here, and let's head back to and paste this here. Let's do that, and as you can see, it's changed. So I think there should be an option where we can change the alignment right here. So I'll just centralize it right and move this a bit, and hopefully that works. Yeah, so we'll click on this one, and I'll just copy some more text like so, and we'll head back and paste this right here. All right, so let's play back and see how it looks. Alright, so hopefully that made sense. Let's take this back a little bit, and as you can see, I have an issue with my alignment over here, so I'll just pull this. Let's see. All right, that looks a bit better. So as you can see, I have an option of adding a logo over here, but I don't have a logo currently, so I'll just let it be. I can click on this, and it will open up a dialog box where I can, of course, import a logo, or I can click here directly and drag and drop one right here. All right, so that said, I think that's all for this video. There is an option here where you can still change the size, the screen size. Let's just do widescreen and see how this looks on a widescreen device. This is necessary in case you want to export your video in multiple screen sizes. You can do that. There is an option of doing that, and that is one of the reasons why I love templates, because you can create a video in one screen size and export it in a bunch of screen sizes. So that works. Hopefully that works. Hopefully that makes sense. I'll still go to storyboard mode simply because I like this. And as you can see, it opens this up in a different tab, which is really good. You know, when you're working on two separate videos for two separate screen sizes, that can work. You can do that. And yeah, that's kind of it for this video. That's kind of all I wanted to show you for this video. So this is a personal finance video, and it really isn't as hard as it may seem, because all you have to do is search for a template that best suits the video you're trying to create, and you can customize individual elements on this, including the background, and just simply, you know, creating something that best suits what you want with this. So InVideo AI is a really nice tool, and it's easy to use. All right, so if this video did help you, do well to leave a like on the video, and of course subscribe to the channel. And one thing I do need to note before I leave, this is a free account. I don't know how many times I'm going to emphasize this. So in order to export your video, you do need to upgrade to premium. Right, so this is a free account, so we cannot export, otherwise there isn't really that much of a big deal. The process is really straightforward. So with that said, thank you very much for watching, and see you in another video.